Goa Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance in the matter of suspicious death of West Bengal native Debanand Sana. Debanand Sana was apprehended by the locals at Vasco on 23rd December 2025 on the suspicion of him attempting to commit burglary in a house. He was apprehended by locals and later he was handed over to Vasco police. But when Vasco police took him for the medical examination, doctors recommended him to send IPHB for mental health treatment. After obtaining the permission from JMFC Vasco, Vasco police lodged him in the IPHB at Bamlim. But on 1st January, he expired. Now the State Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance in the matter, and the orders reads that to rule out any foul play, the Commission has taken suo motu cognizance in this matter, and the Commission has issued notice to South Goa SP and District Magistrate of South Goa to investigate into this matter and submit a report by 10th March 2026. Meanwhile, SP of South Goa Tikam Singh Burma informed to Prudent that primary cause of death has been given as alcohol withdrawal symptoms, but the doctors have preserved the viscera, and only after analysis of viscera, the final opinion regarding real cause of death will be given by the doctors. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.